Hello everyone, how to do so back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your font color on Facebook story from PC, laptop or MacBook. So you can see this is the Facebook homepage. So what you need to do, you can see create a story, simply click here and you will see two options, create a photo story and create a text story. Simply click here, create photo story, then you have to choose any picture, which picture you want to upload. So I'm just going to choose this one. I already downloaded from internet and open, then click here on your profile, then you can fit it or adjust it. So okay, that's it, and then you have to click here add a text and then type anything like beautiful moments. Okay, then you can see there are some color here, so you have to click here which color you want to. So I just keep this one because it's really fit for text, or you can place anywhere you want, and after that click here share to story, then it will be uploaded or shared on your Facebook story. So okay friend, today is no more. Thank you for watching.